Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Level, reagents, and location. Do this now. Equip stealth gear and select the 3 transformation reagents into your quick slot. Keep 1 bait in hand. Travel to the northern bog waypoint and wait until the in-game night cycle begins because enemy spawn patterns change. Once done, approach the marked shallow water slowly, crouch to avoid agitation, and throw the bait 6 to 8 meters ahead. This immediately draws a wandering wight into the effective transformation radius. Now you execute the complex middle steps. Position yourself crouched within 2 to 3 meters of where the bait landed, because proximity affects success rate. Activate reagent first, wait 1 full heartbeat to let the visual anchor form, then immediately use reagent B to stack the transformation effect. Make sure you do not move. The cast window is 3 seconds, and any displacement cancels the process. Once the second reagent locks, visually confirm the wight's aura. This signals the transformation sequence is primed and irreversible. Finish by applying reagent C and holding your stance for 10 seconds. This cements the wandering wight transformation. Do not attack or dodge during this phase. You will know it worked when the creature's eyes glow and an audible chime plays, then back away slowly to avoid aggression. If the attempt fails, first check latency and input lag, then reposition the bait slightly and use fresh reagents. Troubleshooting tip. If the wight flees consistently, move 4M farther from spawn and retry. Small distance changes break hostile AI patterns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.